Hey guys, this will be my intro for this video. Yeah, I'm coming up with it on the spot. I just I just muted on Discord just to do this. But today we are going to play the new game that just came out today. It's probably I'm not gonna post it today, most likely. It's a long ass video. The Sons of the Forest. It was very fun, and it's very cool. It's very realistic compared to the forest. Um, and I hope you like the video. Bye.
Okay, Toby, are you excited?
Never.
Okay.
Let me just eat my potato salad.
So excited for this shit, bro. I don't know.
Why did you make that noise?
Don't know what on about. I mean, no sound. Sons of sons? Son?
What are you seeing?
Son?
I'm not loading into the game.
Does it say start game? Does
It says waiting for the host to start the game. Oh,
oh,
tap
you're
E
loading
to
in now?
take items and hold E to use.
Whoa!
No
This fucking
way!
this alien this fucking land's big.
Press G to use GPS. I'm pressing G, nothing's happening.
Whoa!
Shut up, you're spoiling for me.
Whoa!
Shut up! Zoom in with a map.
Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac,
What am I listening to?
Whopper.
Are you in that other
Whoa!
helicopter?
Whoa! Edward Puffin.
Is that fire? What is that?
Barbara Puffton?
Who?
Virginia Puffton? What?
Dude, you're spoiling the game for me. I'm still in the helicopter ride, and you're like, Virginia Puffton? Lightning.
It says on the
Shut up! Don't spoil it for me. Edward Puffton. I don't want to be Edward Puffton.
fight.
Wait, are you on the other computer?
Whoa! Whoa!
What?
Wait. Ah! I wanna. No! Oh my god!
Oh shit! Oh,
I can
didn't
hold on! Ah! No! Oh, no!
fight
I wanna help you! No!
demons.
Hold on! Hold on! No! Ah!
Gunfire, bro. Yeah, you spoiled the whole thing. You were screaming before it even happened for me. It's not even cool. No.
No, buddy, I can't help.
What is happening?
Ugh. Finally. Alright, get up. Ah! Who are you? Barbara?
Bro, shut up.
What?
Shut up, please.
Okay.
You're spoiling everything. I'm still in the water and you're like, Barbara? Who are you? Like, and you're. Oh, damn. Whoa.
Who's this?
Shut up. I swear to God.
It's just one person, jeez.
I thought it was white. What?
Oh.
I'm now black. I'm white in the vehicle and I'm now
Wake
black.
up.
Oh, that's
wake
you?
Up. Wake up. Boy, wake up, man. Hello. I'm seeing you have Down syndrome.
You don't say. He's bleeding from his ears.
Oh, he's deaf, I think. His name is Kevin.
How do I do anything?
Follow me.
How are you doing
Oh yeah,
anything?
he is deaf. He's deaf. Look at his ears.
Whoa!
Look, you wanna know how he's deaf? Look at his both ears.
Look at this spider. What if I punch him?
You
I can punch him. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy.
You pissed them off!
Wait, look over there.
Oh. Okay.
Why
I gave
is
him
he?
assignment.
Where did he even come from?
Oh!
Like, he wasn't on the he was not on the thing with us. He's just there. What did you do?
Oh, this is
Are you
cool.
just crouching down? I can't tell what you're doing. It just looks like you're crouching down. Oh, I open inventory. Oh, is that what you're doing?
Yeah.
It looked like you were crouching down.
Tactical axe, GPS tracker, and a guidebook. I'm gonna get
Okay.
axe.
Open.
I just realized we need Kevin to follow us. Okay, I'm gonna give Kevin the assignment to follow me. Mark, follow me.
Light color? What? Power off? Whoa! We have RBG, bro. Our backpack has RBG.
Bro, look at Kevin. He looks dumb. Wait, birds! Food! Oh, yeah! Yeah, but I'm glad they added this back.
L.
No, I can skin the bird.
Oh, we don't even have a real light. Why did we have a weird lighter, bro? What the hell? That bird flew through some rocks. Son of a bitch!
I don't know. Do you just have it?
Oh, I have no health. You hit me with the rock and I'm dead.
Also, help Kevin up. So nice.
Okay, I'm all good now. I took some
Whoa.
healing.
Oh, this is like. Oh my god. This is so realistic. This is so realistic. That's so cute.
This is so realistic. And when I come over there,
Alright.
this is gonna be like so fucking stupid, bro. Ooh, ammo.
So realistic. It's so
Flares.
realistic.
Is it that realistic? Oh my god, do we get separate items like if we were to loot a box? I think we get separate items.
Look
How
at
realistic
here.
is it, Zeke?
Look.
I got grenades. I got grenades. Is that a fish? Can I have the fish? Let me try to cut down a tree. Whoa. Damn, bro. Oh.
Yeah, I told you.
Damn, we're strong. With a little hand axe, we can just chop down a whole ass tree?
You actually have to cut all the signs.
No way. It's not like it was like that in the first game.
Yeah. But you have to peel off the skin. Peel off the skin. He's gonna hit Kevin! Kevin, watch out!
What the?
I don't. What the fuck you saying to Kevin?
This game is so realistic, bro.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, this game's so realistic.
Is that healthy? Is it blueberries? Whoa! It just exploded.
It looked purple.
How do I get sticks?
Look, he's gathering sticks for us.
Oh, we got an MRE meal and
Yo.
some flares.
I like Kevin's already.
Rocks. Oh! Oh! Oh, our inventory's humongo. Holy, bro.
We're so far.
Humongo.
Whoa! Wise words made by.
Oh, you
My
actually
stick!
make it?
How do
Where
I
are you?
snap it?
Oh, you're here. I'm gonna take it.
How do I snap my fucking sticks?
What the heck?
Okay.
He just like
Okay.
threw some sticks at us.
Hey, I need that fucking.
I want my spear out.
Oh wait, you're right. We do have fucking RBG.
Okay.
Now give me those. Sticks.
Whoa! If you're gonna throw your spear, it looks so cool.
Whoa! I made a campfire.
So cool. Well, this is where our homie's gonna be at the beach. Okay.
Well, I think I fucked up. Okay,
What?
so tent, put it on the ground, then put sticks under it. That way, gotta get 2 sticks under it. You have 2 sticks. Okay,
how many
I'm
sticks do you
making-
have?
I'm making-
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh yeah, my
What
game's
kind of
definitely
physics-
gonna crash with this.
What kind of physics is this?
What the heck? What the heck is happening?
Bro, these are some weird physics.
I don't think a tent. Oh, thank you for the sticks, buddy.
I'm on fire!
Right in the water. How is he still alive? Here's my spear! Here's my spear!
This game's already the best. Bro, I
You're
love
my spear, you son of a bitch!
this
I
game's
can't
already
hit
the
him!
best.
He's invincible! He's
Oh,
invincible.
your stick is long gone. Kevin's gonna bring back sticks to you. Get ready for your sticks.
How many sticks are you gonna bring me? Holy, I have a full inventory of sticks and he's still bringing them to me. Alright, well, I need to
Okay,
build
so
something. So I
okay,
need
so
2
what
sticks.
should we do?
4. Dang. Oh, I just made arrows.
Oh, that's how you make those little spiky things.
You can have these.
Ah,
Ow!
you're just so
That wasn't the smartest thing. Oh, is it gone? It's just gone. You can have
yeah,
those
just take-
sticks.
Okay, so what we need is food.
He took my spear and it's gone forever. We're just gonna find a bird somewhere with a spear. Or let me cook food.
Okay. Okay, now let me give
I can cook leaves with my food. Okay.
like holy fuck.
This is so cool.
Build shelter.
Bro, he looks so retarded. I'm not gonna lie to you.
For real.
What the heck?
Oh, on the fire! No, on the fire! He's building.
What? We already have a shelter. Why do we need another one?
That's your. This one's yours. We're gonna have our own shelter.
No.
Look, he's chilling.
Is he chilling like a
We
villain?
need-
I can't get out. Okay, wait. There's food
We
on
just
here
need to
for you.
Give me my food. I'll
Damn.
grab my. Can I not grab my food? Okay.
Ew. Like, I'm
already
surprised we're
said
part
the
of like
hotel,
a SWAT team, but we don't. Oh.
but we.
Oh. Don't jump on it. This is what happens when you jump on it.
You fucking bastard. You ruined Kevin's time.
He's fine.
Look, he's sad.
It's just the
Look
stuff
at-
all over the place. Where'd you even get this
Okay,
tarp
so-
from?
from the inventory.
You have a tarp in your inventory?
Yeah, corner. Oh, you're just.
I've not used my things. Trust me.
I don't know. I don't know my left and right.
You want me to show you with my grenades?
No. You're gonna kill. You're gonna kill our youth. Are you gonna? You're gonna kill our retarded child.
He's not a child. He's probably older than us. He looks older than you. You look like you're in college. I'm not gonna lie. You also look really ugly.
Shut up, you're Wow! Wow!
Bro, you're wowed by everything in this world, I swear.
Wow!
Whoa, so cool.
So cute. Alex, so cute. We're gonna get fish.
My book has some glow sticks. Oh wow, he's just bringing us logs.
I need more sticks.
I got you. I got you.
We need to make fish. We need fish.
We need more sticks.
Okay, don't worry.
I'm gonna order Kevin to get us more sticks.
Get us sticks.
Get sticks and give it to me.
We just need one more stick. One more stick.
Well, we don't need more. I guess we don't need him to get more sticks.
We don't need to.
Oh wow,
stick
he has
now.
one stick over here. No, Kevin, we need that stick, sir. Kevin.
Kevin. Okay. Actually, tell him to get rocks. I wanna make a reinforced fire.
Okay, the rocks will be dropped right here. Oh my God, the water. Ah! I love when water is water.
Okay, how do I snap the fucking stick?
Why'd you put the tent right under the fire?
So you can be warm.
It has to be out in the open. I just throw the meat on there. What do we need?
Making a reinforced. Ow! I need one more rock. Stop
Bro,
it!
what? I didn't do anything! Are you mad at me, bro? There's a rock right here, you missed it.
I have another rock to replace that
I'm
rock.
just gonna take this rock. Oh, there's spiders.
There you go.
I'll fuck that
reinforced
spider
campfire.
up, bro.
You can't kill it.
Bro,
Okay.
I'm killing it. It's
so,
just, I'm just hitting him around.
Take
It's a little bit laggy, but as expected from a great game like this.
Okay, I'm nothing. Okay.
I'm gonna check the fish. Fishy fish!
Get
There's no fish in it.
build. Should we tell him to build fire? Build fire. Stay. Take a break. Yes, take a break.
No, don't take a break. I need fucking sticks, bro.
I want to give him a break. I'm trying to be nice to Kevin.
I need sticks. I have 0. I don't even have a spear because that bird took it from me.
Oh,
I hate that bird. Seagulls are my #1 enemies. Okay, kill. I need to kill all of them. Like that turtle incident. I fucking hate them.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Piece of shits, bro. What the fuck did I just?
What is that?
Wait, what did I just? What? Is that a?
Oh! What is that?
Why does she have?
Hiya! Hiya!
Whoa, she's not. You're just killing some random person.
Now?
She's just not doing anything. Look at her running away! Holy, she's a sprinter, bro! She's running.
Fucking woman was doing her ballerina dance.
Yeah, she was just like dancing it. That was kind of creepy.
Until I just like, I didn't give a fuck and just started chopping her.
You didn't, yeah, like that's kind of disrespectful. She wasn't doing anything to you. She ran away, she didn't even fight you. Oh, my food!
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah, it is burnt to a crisp. I can't even find it. It's just gone. How big is this game? It doesn't seem that big if it's a 13 gigabyte game.
Legit, fucking Glock stream crash. Glock stream crash.
On God. We need to make a hunting shelter.
I just realized, this world's so big, when you look at the map, you fucking barely move.
We have a map?
Yeah.
Ah!
I just realized, I saw on TikTok and there's a new cannibal now.
There's always
Called
gonna be.
Finger.
There's gonna be like 7 new cannibals. It's not just one.
Finger!
What is that? Do we need? That's a log? I think. I think they want us to get a log. Oh yeah. Oh shit! I have multiple. I picked up one and it's like. What? Oh what? No! Please stop! Oh. Oh! Whoa! That's cool. That's kind of cool. What did I do? I have to press C to pick them up now? I thought it was E. We need one more log. What'd you do to these logs? We need a normal one.
I chopped them. I didn't
Here you
cut
go.
those. Okay, we need to go to bed.
No, I'm almost done building our little,
Oh, look
other
now.
sleeping area. Yeah, look.
Where did you, what did you do to Kevin?
He's fine. He's sleepy. He's sleepy.
Where are you sleeping at?
Over there. You can see him glowing.
Oh shit! I actually chopped on one of my tents.
Oh, really? Oh, wow, it is
Oh.
getting dark! Okay, I want to go to... I'm gonna save the game. Game saved. Sleeping. Sleep!
Okay, so... Night.
How do we pick the tent up? Oh. Okay, that's how you do it.
There's a dead fish? What?
Yeah, we can't pick it up, though.
Oh, I didn't know there was a dead fish at first.
Oh, let's
You
see.
got 2 grenades.
You bird! Get over here!
Did he take... Did that fucking bird took something again?
No. What? A turtle?
We must eat the turtle meat.
We got turtle meat on the stove. How do we get water?
I asked Kevin a question, he said nothing.
How do we get water? Can I drink the water? Laz. I'm a thirst to death because I don't got no water.
Damn.
How do we get water?
Oh, we just had an MRE pack.
Oh, did we get water from there?
I mean, we eat it.
But does this give us water?
Nope.
Oh, that's great.
Fuck was I? Whoa.
I don't know how to get water, so we're probably fucking dead.
Okay, then we gotta venture off.
Okay.
Follow me.
I don't know why we didn't spawn with water. Like, because in the first game we spawned with, like, alcohol.
Okay, which way do you think we should go?
I don't know.
Right or left?
I don't even know where. Oh, I went past you. Okay, I was like, I'm trying to eat my rib. Wait, give me a second. Oh wait, I don't got tape. Never mind. It's like I'm about to start making myself a spear. Mushrooms. Those don't look good. You try. Damn, you plucked that whole mushroom. Okay, I'll take. Oh, I don't think they were good. I'm gonna drop these.
They poisoned me.
Where are these mushrooms?
Now we learned they're bad.
Mushrooms are non-existent in my backpack. I swear I picked them up. Oh, here they are. I'll drop them.
Okay, I'll catch it. Okay, I'm just
How do I drop these? Well, too bad.
G.
Oh yeah, okay.
Press G.
That doesn't work.
And they really made the small animals slower.
I found a river. I found a river.
How do we...
What?
There was rope.
There was what?
Cloth behind you. There was rope and cloth behind you.
What? Oh damn! Rip. I got myself some leaf armor. I'll be helpful. Definitely.
Oh hell no! What kind of water is this? This is full of pebbles.
Where's the rope?
Why is it this? Is this supposed to be water?
Where's the rope? Right here.
Oh, you told me I'm gonna shank ya.
That is so cool. Did I make an axe even though I had one? Repair tool. Oh, it's a repair tool. Never mind.
I'm shock and chill. Okay, let me look on our little.
What? Damn! That was fast.
Okay, follow me. Kevin's following us.
It is?
Yeah, look at the map.
What?
The fuck?
It's the lady you were trying to kill last time, I think.
No, that's...
Whoa!
Oh, that bitch scared me!
Where? That was so loud. What the hell is that thing?
Cannibals!
Ooh!
Die! Die! Die, you ugly bastards! Ow!
Damn! You destroyed a whole tree. You better run away.
I can't even see where they're coming from.
Whoa! There's another one!
I threw my fucking
Oh, it's got knife. Where's my knife? Just give me a second. Okay, I got my knife out. Whoa! Run! What's Kevin? He's scared. Oh! It's because we didn't tell him to chill.
I don't want Kevin to die!
David's not gonna die. Shit.
Dead.
You're dead?
Oh, yeah. Where am I? Where am I? I'm in a cannibal camp.
How do I go back home?
They tied me up. Whoa.
I'm gonna go back home.
Ah! They just one-shotted me.
Whoa, what's that noise? I'm trying to turn around, but I have
Oh, I woke up
greasy
again.
fingers. What the fuck? Bro, really? I fucked him up.
You grab my backpack.
What the fuck is that
Okay.
noise? Some bitch be sleeping, bro.
Oh, my backpack. Fuck out of here.
Bro, oh, that's another one. I'm running, bro. Holy shit! Oh, I chopped off his arm!
I'm out of the cannibal.
What's that?
Cannibal.
Damn!
I'm coming. Where's Kevin?
Wait, where is
Where the
Kevin?
fuck is Kevin going?
Wait, is he alive?
Yeah, he's alive. He's
Okay,
just...
good.
Okay, I'm going to go to Kevin.
Bro! Where?
Kevin.
There he is.
Here you are, Kevin.
Bro, where's home? No. Here, this
Okay,
home
I'm gonna
situation.
bring Kevin home.
Yeah.
home.
Whoa!
They're barking at me.
I need to take a pill.
I see a cannibal on a path. That's on 2 legs. Oh, that's the leader.
Whoa!
Holy fuck! Kevin, hurry up! Dogs are on us! Die!
I'm coming to you.
Back away from Kevin! Kevin!
Is he dead?
Get up, Kevin! Get up!
Did I just see a thing jump from a tree? Whoa!
Where's Kevin? Kevin ran away!
Let's go to base so we can try to solve this minor disagreement against the
I have
cannibals.
low strength right now.
It's right here. It's right here.
Kevin?
Kevin?
Kevin, quit running in circles. Kevin, follow me. Kevin, it ain't that hard, follow me. Your AI navigation.
AI navigation fucking Kevin up, bro.
Yeah.
They're
Like,
over there. Tell him to stay here. I think it resets every day.
Okay, you're gonna have to deal with the cannibals. There's one cannibal behind us.
He doesn't, oh wow, he is,
Oh, he's a bloody.
no, can I,
Oh,
can
please
can
help!
I
Take
can't-
him!
No,
Oh,
get him!
he stabbed him!
He threw a rock at him.
Ah!
He wants Kevin!
Save Kevin!
I am. You son of a bitch.
Okay, I'm just sitting here on the ground. I have no clue what's going on since I'm looking at the ground. I'm bleeding. I wish we already. Oh, thank you. Is Kevin fine? Kill Kevin.
Kevin's gone. He's running, bro.
Wait,
He's
what?
all the way over there.
Oh, you chopped his limb off. It's still bleeding. Oh, it's actually God, over there. Oh my God, man! I just burnt the body.
Maybe we have to just tell him to stay there.
Kevin,
I think we need to tell him to stay here. That's the thing. If he takes a break, he can follow us.
I just.
Stay here. Is this covered in blood? Okay, he's staying here now. Yeah, he's staying here. There's just looks so stupid, bro.
I'm fine. I'm serious right now. Yo!
You're dying?
I was serious. Come on, we gotta go.
Okay. So pull out your phone. And now you see that river over there? The line? That's where it is. Bro, you got scared of a tree falling apart.
I thought that was a little cannibal.
Shut up, bro. Shut up. There's one up here that we can go to.
Water. More water. More water. But the first thing now, I'm tired. Oh, there's a closed body.
Yeah, look at what happens if you throw his body in there. And look how fast it goes.
It going bye-bye now.
I almost hit you, bro. Okay, let's go.
Oh, Frankie gone wrong.
Oh, there's cannibals here.
Oh,
I think he was eating his own brother.
that
Because
was
there's a dead
gross.
body right here.
That was just a, that's not, that, look how slow it's going.
It's stupid looking.
How do you cut off a limb?
Just hit the part where you want to cut it off. And what does this have to do with you? Holy shit! I hate bats, bro. I hate bats. Where is the entrance to this house? It is... What am I fucking looking at, bro? Bro, it is so hard to see this. Okay, Kevin? Kevin? You've been on a break for long enough. So you can gather some logs and give it to me. Actually, follow me. Kevin? Bro, he's on fire!
He's on fire.
He's on fire! Oh, he's fine now. he's fine now.
Okay, Toby, I'm gonna go. Okay, Toby, I'm going to the ocean to get to the helicopter. All right?
Why? What if there's sharks?
It's real fucking deep. I'm going back up. Game?
Bro, this shelter is... This is small!
Okay, what? Does it look like you can just fit in one person?
It can fit, like, half a person. There's not space for... There's barely space for... A fucking...
Party?
No, there's barely space for... A bed in here. And then, like, you can you can put, like, the smallest bed ever in the corner, and then, you know, like, have room for nothing else. Look how small this is. Look, go inside.
Yeah, this seems pretty average.
In like New York, yeah, but like also Dallas, but like what? It's not something we're gonna live in.
We're gonna need to live in a house.
I wish there was like custom. Is there custom houses? How? Can I the house? You can.
Then cut. Then boom boom bam bam. That's how you do it.
All right, so we need one log, and we put
We
it
need 4 logs.
down.
Then we need another log.
And then we need another log.
Which now we have to wait for fucking Kevin? What is he? It's taking them so long.
I don't know. I guess it's only because you can carry one log now.
Oh yeah. Because it didn't really make any sense. The first game. Or then
Let's just go to sleep. That doesn't look right.
No, we're gonna make a house like.
Oh, that's
right
oh,
here.
oh. Is that how it works?
Yeah, you can just make a custom house.
Well then, if so,
Okay, let's just sleep first.
we're
Okay,
gonna make
let's-
it a
let's
lot
do it.
bigger.
Okay, we're gonna make a 3x3. You save.
Now it's fucking nighttime.
Okay, now let's.
Let's
sleep again.
yeah, let's sleep again.
Hold up, we need food, man.
No, we're gonna be
Starve?
no. Don't eat the food, cause then you'll be tired again, the next day.
Oh yeah.
Just go to sleep again, and maybe we'll survive.
I'm starving.
You're starving, Marvin?
Yep.
Oh, I don't got no fucking.
Use-
I'm just gonna eat my.
I'm cooking up 2 food. Yours or mine?
Yum yummy.
Oh, so doesn't mean I can have the 2 steak?
The tooth snake? What?
The 2 snake.
The tooth
The
snake?
2. The 2 steak.
The two snake.
I'm cooking.
Oh, you're
Yes,
cooking.
I'm
I thought you meant you were gonna hunt it down.
Oh, I guess I'm eating now. Nom nom nom. Sounds disgusting. Ugh. Alright, well, it's gonna work all night. We're just gonna make a
Actually, you know what's smarter?
What?
We could go to this lake right here. That's why the connected ocean, so we don't have to go into the forest and have it dangerous and stuff.
This person's way more beautiful. We're just living next to the river.
No, we're living here. That's that. We already decided to make a shelter, so.
Wait, so this where you are right now? Living? Yeah, a fucking cave. It is a fucking cave. Go here.
We're just breathing. I was like,
That's Aubrey.
no, we're not.
Go here.
No, don't tell me.
Go here.
Please.
I found a mountain bubble.
No, we're not. Ah!
I'm going into Toby. Go
Can't
into the
do
cave.
this.
Go there. You want to say no? I'm still going into the cave. Okay, gotta get my torch.
Who just give you give you first? Or I mean, don't give you first. Take away first.
Went in cave.
Blueberries. What?
Oh.
We're talking about caves, man.
I'm in a cave.
I'll go to the cave. I'll fucking die. Bro, why am I tired again? I just slept 2 times in a row. What do you want from me?
Okay, if I see any found, alright.
I'm going in here with you, okay? Oh, lag. Oh, it's dark in here. Holy again? Like, what do you... Why?
This is big.
Someone's computer was in here. Someone was eating instant ramen. Oh, I gotta lie.
This
And
is
a
a place
storm.
of water too.
What's this?
Oh, another.
The Sunset Times popcorn something. Can I put it away?
Okay, maybe.
Can I put it-
Maybe.
okay.
Louis, I'm too scared to go. I see you. I just see. I see weird looking people. Boogity, boogity, boogity. What here?
What here? That's what I hear.
What's best about my mic is that it just cuts off at the random moment.
On God, it's so funny. Come back over here.
What?
Do you not see this? The floating rocks.
No?
You don't see this?
Oh, I'm scared.
Why am I so tired all the time?
Same.
Like, didn't we just sleep?
So we wanna know what's scary?
What?
Look at this. Look. What is that?
Well, there's only one way to find out. How do I fucking make a bow?
Wait. See? That's a fucking finger. That's a new mutant. Toby?
I need tape.
Toby, that's a new mutant monster. No, I can just see it. I can just. Come out of here. Get the fuck out of here, Toby.
I don't think it saw us. Zeke,
No,
you were
just started-
gone.
It started fucking sprinting at us.
Yeah, but I think we lost it.
Look! Look! Got no face, Toby. You see what
And I got an idea.
Okay. What's that idea? Let me see what I can get. Wanna know what I got?
Where the fuck did it go?
I am Gandalf. You shall not pass.
That's so great. Where did it go? Oh!
That's what it looks like.
I don't think it can hear us. Like, I think it's like a sound-based creature.
Ah!
Oh, there's more! Why? Oh.
Help! Help!
Oh, you're dead. I'm out of here. Look at this, bro.
Man, fuck you!
What can I do?
Dead now.
I got grenades! This will be fine, bro.
Oh.
Holy shit! Ah!
I woke up in a weird looking comb. Get me the fuck out of here!
I killed it.
Ugh.
But there's still like 7 of them!
Wait, there's
Holy
more?
shit, you scared me.
More?
Yeah, there's not. There's not more of the same creature, but there's like 7 regular ones.
They just came out of the darkness.
I got this.
Oh, I need to retrieve my backpack. I forgot my backpack for a minute. Backpack,
I just threw one
backpack.
unlighted one over there.
Take my med.
Whoa! He teleported. Man, I shouldn't be playing on your servers.
Bro, this is fucking. Joey! I got the source of light!
Move out of my fucking way, bro.
Hiya! Hiya!
Ah!
Foul beast!
Oh!
You foul beast! Ah! Joey, revive! Revive!
Let me pop one of those pills. Yummy.
Did I even open that? No, I didn't. I just landed in one.
Wasn't there a third one?
Popping another one.
What happened to... Wasn't there 3?
Was 3 of those weird looking monster?
Yeah. Bro,
I
I'm gonna
think
pass
so.
out. I'm gonna pass out.
Not gonna pass it. Don't turn off the light. Give me it.
Oh, wow. There's a lot of bones. Zeke, you're abandoning me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I killed him though. I'm just better than you.
I'm exploring. You're the Yeah, immediately.
Where the fuck did I get these fish from?
Oh, now we have food. Okay.
Dude, I'm gonna pass out.
I'm not gonna pass out. Trust me. One.
Let's sleep real quick. I got a tarp.
Okay, I got 6. Place your tarp. Okay, so we get 6 on.
Is there a faster way to pull out your axe? Just don't jump on it immediately.
I just jump on it. Okay, so let me just. Alright, you ready?
Okay, let me save.
3.
Okay.
Okay, let me save first. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. We're all good now. Except for I'm fucking starving!
I'm thirsty. Let's explore deeper into the cave.
1 second. Good stuff. I'm eating some blueberries.
Let's explore some
I'm eating some blueberries. Just give me a second.
Yeah,
I'm eating blueberries.
oh, but where's my axe?
Can I eat more than one at a time?
No, I need some berries.
I think we need to make a fire. Can we make a fire down here?
So, campfire, the usual, snap sticks.
Because I got fish and I'm very hungry right now. Oh, that was really easy. Okay.
Jesus Christ, you
There's
look
2 fish.
scary!
I can't tell when they're ready though. I almost just walked into the fire.
Look at yourself.
How do we tell if they're ready?
When it's green, or when this says they're green, or like when they look.
They're
Like,
already
look at my
green.
shoe. Like, look at my shoe. Look fucking terrifying. What is
Bro,
it?
the eating animation. It was definitely not ready.
Okay.
Look at the eating animation.
Yeah, I know, bro. It sucks ass.
What do you mean it sucks ass? We fucking bite his head off. Well, I think it was alive. Did you not eat yours raw?
No.
I'm putting another one on there.
I need to do.
You already ate yours. You already have yours.
I did not.
Yes, there was. There was.
Well,
Well, then why are you complaining? Well,
You-
you can. I put 2 on there and I. Bro!
whoops.
Now we have no more fish. You took 2 of them.
I'm sorry, man.
Where's the other fish? Give me the fish.
You want me to rip it out of my stomach?
You ate 2 of the fish, bro. Like why?
No, you ate 1 and I ate 2.
There was I just said that you ate 2.
I don't remember eating my first fish.
Bro, why am I sleepy? It just swells. This is so fucking annoying. I got no food, bro. I'm thirsty.
What is that? The fuck is one
I'm
of
gonna
the-
die, bro. I'm going to
It's
die.
It's a banger. The binger. We can always get the fuck out. Come on.
Okay then.
Get the fuck out of this cave.
I'm tired. I'm thirsty. I can't run for more than half a second. I'm gonna pass out.
3, 2, 1.
I'm going to pass out. I don't even see. I don't even see any green on it.
Nah, I'm fine, bro.
Is it because they're running around? Like I can't drink this water.
Yeah, this one's probably good. It's probably nighttime. He's looking here, bro. Wait, we just leave Kevin under.
He'll be fine.
No, my child.
Dude, I'm gonna fucking die, bro.
I'm gonna die.
Okay, so
Ow, fuck off, bats.
I'm hungry as well now.
Die.
I've got all this like effects. Oh, it's raining. That's nice.
Where's Kevin? Kevin! Kevin! Oh, fuck.
Yeah, he's fine.
Kevin.
I can't.
Kevin's gone.
He's not gone. He's
Dead!
bro, what are you on about? He's right here.
Oh my gosh, he's been grinding.
Holy. Is he still trying to get logs?
Nope.
No, he's taking a break. Let's go to sleep.
Wait, hold on. Let me just.
Let's go to sleep, buddy. Let's go to sleep! I'm gonna die if we don't go to sleep. Okay, you find us food and I'll drink water because I'm gonna fucking die if I don't drink water.
What about our custom cabin?
No, we need our food is more important. You find food. Oh my god, that's I can build one. He's gonna get food.
I'm fine. Okay.
Like, that was so. Oh, yeah. I'm sure you know, sure. Bro, just can't ask a lot of questions. Just one. Yeah. Who's saying that? Sure, sure. I'm not. Just one. Yeah, that's okay. I'm not okay. Just something else. Yeah, that's right. Please, watch it. He's gonna go. He's gonna like. He's gonna chop down every tree in this world if we don't stop him.
Fucking deforestation. Okay. Okay, Kevin.
I'm
Take a
sleepy
break.
again! Let's go to sleep. Can we go to sleep?
No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't fucking matter. We're not going to bed.
I
Yeah,
need
I
to go
swear
to
God.
sleep. I'm sleepy.
It's not like you're gonna fucking die. You're gonna be
I'm gonna
fine.
die if you don't die. You'll die when you sleep. If you don't sleep. That's
What am I
fucking.
just gonna go? Okay, I just realized
No,
our
you piece of
fucking
shit bird.
fish.
Bro, I got the bird.
Alright, you got your revenge.
Like, I'm tired.
Fish trap, fish trap.
Okay, I got another bird. Can we go to sleep?
God, I'm gonna destroy this now.
Why? What are the
There's
clams?
no
You said there was
fish.
clams. They give you like nothing.
You gonna help or what?
I'm fucking sleepy, so that's why I'm telling you we should go to sleep.
I said it was gonna be 3x3, not 4x4.
Well, it's gonna be 4x4. It needs to be
Fuck!
bigger.
Doesn't have to be looking.
It's too small
I said
whenever it's like
mention. Never too. Alright, so now that's complete. Now what next? So
we need more logs, buddy.
now we have to cut them in half.
Can we go to sleep now? How did I not fucking hit that bird? I need a spear. My spear's just gone. Like, I don't got anything. I don't know what to... I can't make anything. Because I need tape. And I don't know how to get tape. I don't got rope either. Yeah, I need to go to sleep. Can we go to sleep now?
Oh, I just realized I have squirming. Put one for myself. This sure is dark.
Yep. We'll be fine now. I don't know about Kevin though.
Yeah, he's just.
He's over there. Hopefully he doesn't get attacked.
Also, if we treat Kevin bad, he'll get real pissed. Not like work for us. So yeah, we gotta treat him nice. Okay, that wasn't. It wasn't.
That was not Kevin. Oh my god, there's people over here. Ow. Okay, I got one.
Down.
Whoa! Oh, what the hell?
Oh, we're going to our house. Or sinks he's Batman.
He's a weird size. Ah! He knocked me out. No, Kevin! Kevin! Follow me.
How do we make a floor again?
We got food now. We got, legs.
We also need to make a floor. Or a house.
No, bro! Bro, Kevin!
Pass it up.
Kevin. Take a fucking wreck. Calm down.
Put my stuff.
Can you go? We can have it. We're starting to make it.
What else we got? Yeah, go back.
Just chop it. Then put it. That's what I do.
Like, how many pieces?
Put it on. You put it. You need to keep doing it. And then once you do enough. I'll get some food. I mean water.
Oh, okay. Place. That's good. Good place. We gotta do my star. Or next. Oh, I don't know. Wait, Kevin, why? You said something about suicide.
Oh, no, keep it. That's it.
What are you doing?
Oh, nice.
What's your next
No, without myself. Yeah, I'll finish. Yeah, like he's just staying next to the fire. Why? Do you not know how to do this?
I'm trying to do it, but it won't let me. No point.
I'm gonna make custom. I need to go
I'm not fucking like
You're trying to make custom.
You want to make first?
You said you figured out how to make custom. So I'm
Sorry.
yeah, you're trying to make custom. Bro, Kevin.
Not my way.
Shut up.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Wait, wait.
I'm just- I'm just- Bro, thank you. Motherfucker. There we go. How does it? You're trying to see.